Welcome back, students. Let us study our worksheet 4 now. And the name of the worksheet is What Happens Next. So student, this worksheet is linked with the chapter named Shipwrecked by Robinson Crusoe, and we have already studied it. Okay. So remove page number 75 in your Canopy term book. Let us read. Do you wonder what happened to Robinson Crusoe after he was shipwrecked? Read on to find out. So, as we have studied further, we know that Robinson Crusoe was thrown on an island and he was all alone there. So, we don't know what happened next. So, in this worksheet, we will know what happened with him and what he did again to keep him alive on the island. Okay, so let us read. When I woke up, the sun was up. So he says that when he woke up, the sun was up, the sun had risen. A fine day was beginning. It was a fine day and a fine day was started. I looked out towards the sea. Then he started looking towards the sea. To my great wonder, I saw that a large wave had carried the ship closer to the shore. So it was his great wonder, and what he saw that a large wave of water had carried the ship closer to the shore. The shore is the area where the river touched the ground. I decided to swim to it. Then what he decided when he saw the ship, he decided to swim to the ship. I saw a small piece of rope hanging down from the ship. What he saw? He saw a piece of rope. It was hanging from the ship. I reached almost to the water. I used it to climb onto the ship. Then he almost reached to the water, and with the help of the rope, what he did? With the help of the rope, he climbed into the ship. There was a lot of water in the ship, but the cabin and the storerooms were dry. So, as there were huge waves and the boat was thrashing here and there, so the ship was fully filled with water. But what he said that the cabin and the storerooms, the cabin and the storeroom in the ship were dry. There was no water in it. There were many things on the ship that I could use if I had them with me on the island. So he is saying that there were many things on the ship that he could use when he was on the island, जो उसके काम आ सकते हैं. ऐसी कई सारी चीजें शिप में पड़ी हुई थी जो उसको आइलैंड में अकेले थे तो काम आ सकती है. But there was no boat. So what he said that there was no boat. वो कैसे ले जा सकते हैं इतनी सारी चीजें? उसके पास बोट नहीं थी. How could I carry them there? What is he saying? मैं इतनी सारी चीजें को कैरी कैसे कर सकूंगा? To carry to island. I will make a raft, I said to myself. So he said to himself that he will make a raft and then he will carry all the things on the raft. As you can see in the picture, raft is something that is made of woods, okay, and which helps you in water. There were several long pieces of wood on the ship. So what he said that there were many long pieces of woods. As you can see that to make raft we need long pieces of woods, and what he said, it were there on the ship. So I tied them together using a rope. What he did, he tied all the woods together using a rope. उसने रस्सी से सारे लकड़ों को बांध दिया. और then what he made a raft. I now had a very good raft. He had a very good raft now. It was large enough to carry many things. What he is saying that the raft was very large, so he can take many things with him to the island. Turn your page. Of all the things on the ship, I would need food the most. So what he said that बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, but what he needed the most was food. Food to eat. Human being can't survive without eating food. So I took bread, rice, cheese and few pieces of meat. So these all are the food items that he took with himself. Then I looked for clothes and found what I needed. Then after food he started looking for clothes. I also saw a carpenter's box full of tools. Then he saw a carpenter's box which was full of tools. Tools means that helps in the ship. Lastly, I took 2 guns to protect myself from wild animals. Lastly, what he did? He took 2 guns with him so that he could protect himself from wild animals, because in island there are many wild animals. So he took guns so that wild animals would not attack on him and he could protect himself. Now I was ready to face all the problems of living alone. So now he was ready and now he was problem free. So now he said that now I am living alone and now I have no problems, because I have all the things which I needed on the island. Living alone on the deserted island. Deserted island is an island with no people on it. In deserted island there are no people. So he needed some tools and some things to protect himself. So he took all this thing with him on a raft. And what he said lastly, now I am ready to face all the problems alone. Okay. So we have came to know that after falling on the island, he did all this to protect himself and survive on the island. Okay. I hope you all have understood this worksheets. Thank you.